Hello friends, in this video we have to prove that this expression is equal to this expression. To do that, I will use the left hand side. So I have cot x plus tan x. I know that cot x is equal to cos x divided by sin x, plus I know that tan x is equal to sin x divided by cos x. I will obtain cos square x plus sin square x divided by sin x times cos x. I know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. This means this equation will become 1 divided by sin x times cos x. This equation can also be written in 1 divided by sin x times 1 divided by cos x. I know that 1 divided by sin x is equal to cosec x, and 1 divided by cos x is equal to sec x. Thank you friends, this is the end of this video. I hope you learned something new. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Ciao.